maths classes. Let's learn about divisibility rules today. A number is said to be divisible by another number if on dividing the remainder comes as 0. So here we are to learn whether various numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. These divisibility rules help us in quickly finding whether a given number is divisible or not without actually dividing it. So it saves our time and our efforts as well. So let's begin with the first rule where we are going to find whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at one's place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now look at these examples. 846. At one's place we have 6. In this number at one's place we have 0. Here in 2952 at one's place we have 2. This number 98 is ending in 8. 39,414 is ending in 4. So all these numbers are either ending in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. That is why they all are divisible by 2. In other words, we can say all the even numbers are divisible by 2. The second rule is divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all its digits is divisible by 3. Look at the first example. It is 8,241. So let's find the sum of all its digits. So 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. The sum 15 is divisible by 3. So 8,241 is also divisible by 3. Look at the next example. This is 20,976. So let's find the sum of its digits. 2 plus 0 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. And 18 plus 6 is equal to 24. 24 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. Now we move to the next rule and it is divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits on the right is divisible by 4. Look at these examples. Now here in this number 54,912, the last two digits would make the number 12. The last two digits here 0, 0 and here the last two digits are 32. So what do we observe? 12 is divisible by 4. 0, 0 is also divisible by 4. Similarly 32 is also divisible by 4. If the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4, then the whole number itself will be divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is said to be divisible by 5 if the digit at one's place is either a 0 or a 5. That means if a number ends in 0 or 5, it will surely be divisible by 5. For example, 6,135 is ending in 5. So it will be divisible by 5. Similarly, 40,780 is ending in a 0. 940 again is ending in a 0. This number 5,31,755 is ending in 5. So all these numbers are either ending in a 0 or a 5. That is why they are all divisible by 5. The next is divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So look at the given example. It is 14,952. Now as this number is ending in a 2, so that means it will be divisible by 2. Now let's find the sum of all its digits. I write here 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 5 plus 2. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus 5 is 19 and 19 plus 2 is 21. 21 is divisible by 3, so this number is also divisible by 3. As this number is divisible by both 2 and 3, so it will be divisible by 6 also. Have you all understood? So let's move to the next rule of divisibility. Divisibility by 7 now. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between the twice or the double of the digit at one's place and the number formed by rest of the digits is also divisible by 7. Now look at the given example. This is 329. Look at the digit at one's place. This is 9. Double of 9 is what? 2 into 9 is 18. So let's find the difference between the rest of the digits. The number formed by the rest of the digits is 32. From this I subtract the double of the digit at one's place, which is 18. Now 32 minus 18 is equal to 14. This difference is divisible by 7 or not? Yes, it is divisible. So this number 329 is also divisible by 7. Let's learn about the next divisibility rule now. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits on the right is divisible by 8. Look at these examples. This number has the last 3 digits as 248. This number has the last 3 digits as 000. This number has the last 3 digits as 256. In all these cases, the last 3 digits are completely divisible by 8. So these numbers will also be divisible by 8. Now the next rule is divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all its digits is divisible by 9. Now the given example is 1377. Let's find the sum of all its digits. 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 7. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. 18 is completely divisible by 9. So this number is also divisible by 9. Look at the next example. This is 8982. So let's find the sum of all its digits. I write here 8 plus 9 plus 8 plus 2. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 17 plus 8 is equal to 25. 25 plus 2 is equal to 27. Now this sum 27 is divisible by 9. So this number 8982 is completely divisible by 9. Now the next divisibility rule is divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit at one's place is 0. That means if any number ends in a 0, it will surely be divisible by 10. Look at these examples. Now 6490 is ending in a 0. 530 is also ending in a 0. 1220 is also ending in a 0. So all these numbers are completely divisible by 10. Friends, let's learn the last rule, that is divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of digits at odd places and the sum of digits at even places is either a 0 or it is a multiple of 11. Let me explain this with the help of an example. We have this number 17,226. Now, just tell me the digits at odd places. We'll check from the extreme right. This is first place, this is third place, and this is fifth place. All these are odd places, first, third and fifth. So let's find the sum of digits at odd places. I write here 6 plus 2 plus 1. And 6 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 9. Now we are going to find the sum of digits at even places. This is the second digit, the digit at second place, and this is the digit at fourth place. So let's find the sum of these digits. 2 plus 7, which is equal to 9. Now we are going to find the difference between the sum of odd places and the sum of digits at even places. So I write here 9 minus 9. It is equal to 0. And whenever this difference is either equal to a 0 or it is equal to a multiple of 11, then the number will be divisible by 11 as the difference is 0. So this number 17,226 is completely divisible by 11. So students, I have explained all these divisibility rules in details to you. So I expect you all to do written practice by taking a few examples. So good luck, and I want each one of you to join me in my next video. Bye-bye.